Let's look at this question. In how many ways can 7 identical rings be worn in 10 different fingers if exactly 5 fingers are to be occupied? So first identify those 5 fingers that can be done in 10C 5 ways. Now after identifying this, there are two cases possible. There are 2 rings left which have to go in these 5 fingers. You've given one ring to every finger. There are 2 rings left. Now these 2 rings can either go to the same finger, which can be selected in 5C one ways, or they can go to 2 different fingers, one each, that can be selected in 5C two ways. 5C1 plus 5C2, this is equal to 50. So our answer will be 10 into 9 into 7 into 8 into 6 by 120 into 15. Okay, so I can cancel 8 and 15 straight away. 7 into 6, 42 into 90. 42 into 9 is 378. So answer will be